Hi, today I'm going to tell you about the advantages of cheeses, different variants of cheeses. Why we are having a cheese. The concept of cheese is like healthy food. But if you really are buying a cheese, do you see the ingredients of the product? Where you are going to a supermarket and see you are buying a sliced cheese, you have to see that first ingredients. Maybe most of the sliced cheese which is available in the market, especially in the supermarket, you will find that the first ingredient will be vegetable fat. So you have to understand that it is not pure cheese. If it is pure cheese, it's very healthy. So you have to consider giving to your children or to your guest. You have to make sure that the cheese which you are giving to them is healthy and good. So for that you need to see the ingredients of it. We have different variants of cheeses, like we have Gouda, Edam, Emmental, white cheddar, red cheddar and cream cheese. Cream cheese, I told you in my previous video, you can see that it doesn't contain any E factor, whereas the majority of the product in the market, it contains many E factor and stabilizers. And the peculiarity of this is the loaf size of it. If you see the other brands of the product, it will be 5 kg block. So it is 3 kg block. So you don't have any wastage if you make a burger or sandwiches. Okay, and more in Edam, in the market it is available in ball sizes. So if you want to give a cheese platter, there will be a lot of wastage. You have to remove the outer crust of it. Where you are getting kilo price, and in this you don't have to have single wastage. It's just a cover only. Just remove it and slice it as per you, or cut it at the cubes whatever size you wanted to. So if you wanted to give a cheese platter, this will be ideal and economical and healthy, because it contains more dairy fat than any other product in the market. So many other product, if you see it, Emmental also it having 3 kg block. So you can have a healthy concept. You can buy the entire range of cheese from us. So if you have any doubt regarding this or anything, you can get back to us. Thank you very much.